Okay, everyone, let's continue looking at Module 26102-23, Safety for Electricians in the NCCER 11th edition. This will be session 2.00, using PPE to reduce the risk of injury. Using PPE to reduce the risk of injury. PPE used on electrical jobs include rubber insulating gloves and sleeves, arc-resistant clothing, safety glasses and shields, safety shoes and overshoes, hard hats. A task hazard analysis, or THA, will help you to determine what PPE to use. PPE and Electrical Hazards. OSHA sets standards related to the use of PPE on electrical jobs. CFR 1910-132F is the rules for training in the use and care of PPE. 1910.137A is the design requirements for electrical protective equipment. 1910.335 is PPE safeguards for working where there are potential electrical hazards. Selecting and using electrical safety equipment. Electrical workers require specialized PPE, Class E or Class G electrically rated hard hats and climbing style hard hats. Insulated rubber gloves, rubber sleeves, and rubber blankets. Rubber protective equipment has a voltage classification tag and is marked with a test date. Class 00 has a beige tag, Class 0 has a red, Class 1 has a white tag, Class 2 has a yellow tag, Class 3 has a green tag, and Class 4 has an orange tag. Rubber gloves. Voltage-rated rubber gloves are of the gauntlet type and come in various sizes. Inspect and test rubber gloves before using. Do a visual inspection and an air test. If unsure, send the glove for evaluation and testing. Insulating blankets. Insulating blankets are used to cover equipment and protect from accidental contact. Do not use on the floor. Use a switchboard matting instead. Inspect blankets before each use and test yearly. Other protective apparel. Other specialized application protective apparel includes arc-rated suits, face shields, rubber sleeves, high-voltage sleeves and boots, non-conductive protective helmets, non-conductive eyewear and face protection, switchboard blankets, and matting. Hot sticks. Hot sticks keep you at a safe distance from the energized part or line. A hot stick is a handheld insulated tool designed for the following: connecting and disconnecting switches, removing and inserting fuses, applying and removing temporary grounds. Fuse pullers and discharge probes. Remove and install low voltage cartridge fuses with a plastic or fiberglass fuse puller. Use a discharge probe before working on de-energized circuits with capacitors installed. Eye, face, and hearing protection. Safety glasses are required at all times whenever you're working on or near energized circuits. Arc flash shields go over safety glasses. Always wear hearing protection to prevent irreversible damage in the case of an arc blast. Here's some trade terms you should read over and become familiar with for this section. And some review questions. Periodic inspection and testing of protective equipment is required by ANSI, OSHA, DOL, or NEMA. And that would be OSHA. Rubber protective equipment with a white tag is rated for 5,000 volts AC, 1,000 volts AC, 7,500 volts AC, or 17,000 volts AC. That'd be 7,500 volts AC. All right, everyone, that was it for that section. The next section will be 3.00, Electrical Safety Standards, and I'll see you over there.